Good morning students. Today in English class we will do write the missing letters. Let's start. Write the missing letters. Today we will do write the missing letters. Here some alphabets are given and some are missing from their place. You have to write the missing alphabets. Like here one dash is given, then capital B is written, then two dashes are given, then capital E is written. You have to write the proper alphabet here. We know that A comes before B, so we will write here capital A as B is written in capital letter. Capital A from upper line to middle line. Then in this dash we will write capital C as C comes after B. We will write capital C from upper line to middle line. Then we will write capital D as D comes after C. We will write capital D from upper line to middle line. A, B, C, D, E. Now the next one. Here one dash is given, then small g, then two dashes and then small j. We know that F comes before G, so we will write small f here as G is written in small letter. We will write small f from upper line to middle line. Now in this dash we will write small h as H comes after G. Small h from upper line to middle line. Then we will write small I in the middle line as I comes after H. F, G, H, I, J. Now the next one. Here capital K is written, then two dashes are there, then capital N, then one more dash. We know that L comes after K, so we will write here capital L from upper line to middle line. Then we will write capital M as M comes after L. Capital M from upper line to middle line. Then capital N is written. We know that O comes after N, so we will write here capital O. K, L, M, N, O. Students, remember one thing, when you are writing an alphabet, you have to write it in proper line. Now the next one. Here small r is written, then two dashes are given, then small u, then one more dash. We know that S comes after R, so we will write here small s in the middle line. Then T comes, so we will write here small t from upper line to middle line. Then small u is written. After u V comes, so we will write here small v in the middle line. R, S, T, U, V. Now the next one. Here one dash is given, then capital X is written, then another dash and then capital Z is written. We know W comes before X, so we will write here capital W as X is written in capital letter. Capital W from upper line to middle line. Then capital X is written, then we will write capital Y from upper line to middle line like this. Then small z, capital Z is written. Practice it at home. Write it down in your English copy and do homework. Thank you.